Hi there, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to turn off all notifications on the Discord app. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, open the Discord app and find the home screen menu. Step 2. Next, tap on your profile picture at the right side of the screen corner. Step 3. Now tap on the Settings option at the top right of the screen. Step 4. Next, scroll down the menu, find the Notifications option, and tap on it. Step 5. Now, locate the Get Notifications outside of Discord option and tap on it. Step 6. Next, find the All Discord Notifications option. This is turned on. Step 7. For the last and most important step, click on the All Discord Notifications option to turn it off. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.